No one at Chernobyl expected morning to end with disaster. April 26, 1986. Dawn cold, quiet, with workers arriving at plant. Reactor 4 hummed normally, hiding critical flaws deep inside core. Engineers began routine safety tests, unaware danger was growing silently. Coolant pumps failed slowly, radiation rising beyond any safe limit. Alarms flashed urgently, casting red light over tense control room. Technicians debated desperately, trying to calculate next correct emergency steps. Suddenly, a massive explosion tore through the reactor, hurling debris outward. Firefighters rushed in, unknowingly exposed to lethal radiation immediately. Smoke and steam rose high, darkening sky above surrounding forests. Nearby residents noticed an unusual orange glow across horizons silently. Pripyat awakened to sirens, confusion, people gathering outside in panic. Families packed hastily, children crying, unaware of radiation poisoning risks. Hospitals overflowed quickly, staff struggling to treat radiation sickness victims. Officials delayed evacuation, fearing mass panic across densely populated town. Engineers climbed into hazardous areas, risking lives to contain core meltdown. Flames burned uncontrollably, consuming reactor building and nearby structures rapidly. Volunteers sprayed water over molten fuel, often succumbing to radiation. Radiation spread, carried by wind to Belarus and distant towns. Forests nearby turned orange, animals dying without explanation, leaving eerie silence. Rivers became contaminated, fish floating dead in poisoned waters silently. Survivors described metallic tastes, dizziness, and strange rashes appearing quickly. Entire districts evacuated, homes, schools, and belongings abandoned permanently. Diaries and letters left behind revealed fear and confusion inside town. Government tried to downplay severity, fueling rumors among global observers. Scientists measured radiation, documenting levels far above known dangerous thresholds. Liquidators worked tirelessly, often suffering immediate radiation sickness without retreating. Hospitals were overwhelmed, doctors performing emergency procedures under extreme conditions. Children and elderly were especially vulnerable, suffering irreversible health consequences. Artifacts and equipment left behind bore witness to sudden disaster. Airborne radiation drifted slowly, settling across towns and farmland nearby. Eyewitnesses recalled glowing skies at night, eerie green light over Pripyat. Animals abandoned by humans suffered visibly. Some mutated over time naturally. Volunteers risked lives repeatedly to prevent total disaster, facing deadly conditions. Survivors' accounts described panic, fear, and desperate moments of decision-making. Evacuation trains transported families, leaving cities silent, frozen in time. Officials debated long-term consequences, environmental contamination, and future safety policies. Memorials later constructed to honor liquidators and victims' courage and sacrifice. Exposed workers experienced burns, hair loss, nausea, and chronic illness immediately. Contaminated land became uninhabitable, forming the radioactive exclusion zone permanently. Wildlife eventually returned, showing strange behaviors and mutations over decades slowly. Books and documentaries captured human trauma, heroism, and terrifying consequences vividly. Stories emerged of bravery, survival, and tragic loss among ordinary people. Generations learned lessons about nuclear safety and environmental responsibility urgently. Chernobyl became a symbol of disaster, human error, and resilience globally. Tourists now visit safely, walking among abandoned streets and decaying buildings. Photographs, artifacts, and letters preserve memories of sudden devastation silently. Scientists continue studying radiation's effects on soil, water, and wildlife systematically. City remains frozen in time, memories and ruins intertwining permanently. Survivors recall vivid moments, contributing to historical understanding comprehensively. Radiation levels declined slowly, but some areas remain highly dangerous decades later. Anniversaries commemorate disaster, honoring victims, heroes, and lessons learned globally. Children born later suffered genetic effects, a tragic lasting consequence repeatedly. Chernobyl teaches resilience, consequences of negligence, and human responsibility continually. Documentaries unfold timeline, emotions, and silent horror of that morning carefully. Disaster reshaped nuclear policies, emergency responses, and public perception worldwide. Stories of courage inspire generations facing dangers and uncertainty constantly. Exclusion Zone Eerie, nature reclaiming abandoned structures silently over time. Chernobyl's story combines tragedy, heroism, environmental impact, and human vulnerability. Every recovered artifact narrates silent tales of lives changed abruptly forever. Witness accounts describe desperation, fear, heroism, and fleeting moments of hope. Lessons remain relevant, warning about technological risks, errors, and neglect consistently. Even today, researchers uncover secrets beneath reactor ruins decades later. Chernobyl reminds humanity of fragility, resilience, and responsibility toward environment permanently. The story unfolds naturally, flowing seamlessly, keeping viewers engaged until final reveal.
This is Fact and Fear.